Hello, guys. You are all welcome back. Today's recipe we are making Nigerian chocolate cake. This cake is very simple to put together. The good news about this cake is without oven, so there is no excuse. If you don't have oven, you can easily make this cake. So I want you to sit back and watch how I put it together. If you are new here, please, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. To my returning subscribers, thank you all for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. So this recipe is a must try. If you want to know how I put it together, keep watching.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes another yummy series.
The first step is to sieve 1.5 cup of sugar.
Darkness music. Let's go.
Next, I'm going to crack 4 eggs. Why I am doing it this way is to make sure that the eggs are good.
Yummy. Delicious.
I'm going to use my hand whisk to combine the sugar and the egg together. In this recipe, I will be making use of oil and butter. But first, I'm going to add oil and then combine together.
Delicious.
Now I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour and pass it through the sieve.
This food is yummy.
Now I'm going to go in with my baking powder and baking soda. Feel free to check all the full measurements in the description box.
Delicious.
Now I'm going in with my cocoa powder. This is the chief ingredients of this recipe. I'm going in with my melted butter followed by hot milk. You need your milk to be super hot. That way it will help to melt the cocoa powder. You can use any milk of your choice. As you can see, the batter is super smooth. I will go in with my lemon and combine. At this point, I'm going to preheat my pot by adding salt. You can also use sand. I'm going to go in with my rack and cover.
Yummy.
Now I'm going to add in the butter in my cake pan.
That music.
Now I'm going to transfer my cake mixture into my preheated pot. I'm going to bake for 1 hour 30 minutes on a low to medium heat.
That music. Let's go.
Now I'm going to use my skewer to check if the cake is properly baked. As you can see, the skewer came out so clean. That means the cake is well baked.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious. Delicious. This food is yummy, yummy. Delicious.
You guys, this cake is a winner. Give it a try. Look at how soft it is. You can use this cake for your morning coffee, tea, and you can eat it any time of the day. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. See you in our next video. Bye guys.